Hello, my name is Manas and I am the founder, CEO and CTO at AI Leela. In this video, we will have a quick look at what exactly AI Leela is and how it works. So straight out of the box, you see a public feed generated by user-generated content. Users can upload screenshots of their prompts. They can share links of their prompts, the final output of their prompts. Users can tag tools and the models that they have used. They can like, comment, and see other comments. You can bookmark a post, etc. Typical social media features. Then we have the tool store. So think of it as a Google store, app store for AI tools. There are about 30,000 tools in the market. We have currently listed only 400, and our crawlers are continuously updating new tools and updated data of the tool. So we are tracking about 100 different data points for each tool. So you can track reviews, upvotes, bookmarks, links, their media gallery, their description, social channels, platforms that they are available at, their pricing model, their actual models. So GPT has like different models right now. It's a GPT-5, but before that was O1 Mini, O1. You can see prompts, good prompts for that tool. Every tool has different prompting strategies. So we combine the best prompts, and users can also share their own best prompts and it goes into the site. You can have a pricing structure, releases, reviews, developer, like you can write your own review for the tool. Developers can find out what the company is offering to developers, data policy, FAQs, pros and cons, and finally the activity, which views back to our social feature. So I can upload my own activity over here and tag the tool, and it goes into the public feed. It goes to people who are following me into their following feed. And you can also see a tool specific feed over here where all people who have used ChatGPT, whatever they have done, you can see it over here. So that's App Store for AI tools. And through that, we are combining all tools at one place. It helps users to find a good tool for a specific use case. So let's say I want to find out something for graphic designing. Then I can just search for, let's say, graphic. And I can find out, okay, these are the tools for graphics. Or let's say I want to find out something for music. And then, music generation is a category. And for that category, how many tools that we have got. And on the other side of spectrum, tool companies can get initial users and they can promote their app through our website. So listing is free, but if they want featured slots, then we have the paid promotion plan for them. Then we come to the second part of the site, which is courses and guides. This constitutes to the Coursera learning mechanism of AI Leela. So right now we have got one course which is updated, and then few courses are in pipeline. It's a typical LMS, full-fledged built in-house. Here you can see course content. You can view preview courses as well. And then once you purchase the course, once you are inside, you get the entire LMS and access. Now every course has a video, every chapter has a video. You can mark it as complete. Okay, I have to upload the activity for this. And then in the activity again, so users have to complete activity. So they upload their activities, screenshots, output through the social feature. It again goes back to the feed, and it also marks as a validity or the proof that a user has actually completed the chapter and not just skip through complete. You can write notes, you can write discussions, etc. The users can also purchase in dollars. So right now we are supporting India and US currently, but if somebody is in US, then they find the pricing in dollars. Then entire coupon code system is built in place. All right. So courses is more for people who want structured learning path and wants to learn maximum amount of information in short amount of time. And then the next courses are 1 month AI mastery, AI assisted programming for programmers, content creators, and then 1 6-month AI engineering course. On the other hand, we also have short guides, which is 5-minute guide. Let's say you want to create spooky portraits with the upcoming Halloween. This literally you can finish in 5 minutes. You just have to complete this, go to this Gemini, copy this prompt, and boom, you get the spooky image. And for faster access, we also have got the PowerPoint presentation over here. Small 1 minute video is coming very soon, and it will also go to our Instagram and YouTube shorts. So as the name says, it's literally 5 and less than 5 minutes, and users can upload activity for that guide. So all 1,000 users, let's say, have subscribed to this guide. Whatever they have created for that guide, they can share among the community. Everything is combined in put in place into a dashboard where users can track all their activities, like their posts, number of posts, their bookmarks, tool bookmarks, courses they have started, their activity journey, the reviews that they have written, the feature requests they have made for a tool, reviews they have written for the tool, bookmarks, everything is in one place. Portfolio is a killer feature, especially for students. So when the companies ask you what your, show me your AI skills, this is the handle that you show. That's it. Now the interviewer knows that, okay, 78 posts you have made, you have used 6 tools. This is your following. Okay, follower number doesn't matter, but your post and how many tools you have used definitely counts in your job interviews. And very soon we'll also have the intelligent layer on top of it, that it will vouch that this person is good at graphic designing and that person is good for programming because of the content that you'll be the users will be posting.
How to use just like Instagram, I can see entire
detailed post of every
I'm Manas Gajre, a tech entrepreneur with a background in mathematics and computer engineering. I founded Zabuza Labs, where I led the development of over 1,500 apps and created India's first room-scale VR
All right,
game.
let's go to jobs.
I've spoken at global conferences like GDC and MGF, and now focus on ventures like AI Leela and CTO
in the jobs,
School to empower people for the AI-driven
mostly
future.
useful for students, where as they use more and more of the AI Leela, their AI readiness score increases. So let's say you have complete profile creation, you have done a lot of activities, a lot of tools you are using, or the chapters and guides you have completed, your score increases, and then that will help for the job matching, which is a up and coming feature in our site. So we'll be matching you against the jobs based on your activity on the site. This also gives you visibility during your interviews and whatnot. We also have small micro tools where you upload your CV and AI tells you how you can improve your CV. And then additional tool is you also upload job description link, and it tells you what your CV needs to look like to crack the entry level test for that job. And then users can complete their detailed profile through professional details, job reference, social, etc. Daily news is up and coming. It's not fully built in yet. It will be up in about 3 or 4 days. This is how you create a post. So I go to the create, then let's say I upload some, maybe this video, and also let's say this video through which I created photo. So these are the two images. One is image, another is the video. And I use ChatGPT and Hedra for that. So let's say I just write ChatGPT. I select the tool. I used model 5, and then I also used Hedra. So I tag that and created image with ChatGPT through image transformation, and later used Hedra for converting it into a lip synced video. I can also share detailed prompt, actual prompt, share the prompt URL, etc. But I'll call post. And if I go to the feed, this is out there, ChatGPT and Hedra. And if I click on Hedra, you can see the Hedra tool. And in the activity, you can see everything that people have done with Hedra. So this is the activity. All right. And apart from that, here you can also see the college name. What happens is a student is linked to the colleges if they are a college student, and you can see the college level leaderboard. So from this college, only 2 users are there. You can see top contributors, and you can see what people from this college are doing. And then for colleges, we also have the AI club. It's an exclusive club where we are providing a year-long pro-activity calendar for them through online and offline events. They have a dedicated WhatsApp community for each college, and then a tailored roadmap with which they can increase the chances of getting recommended through us, through the mentors, etc. So it's a dedicated page only specifically for AI club students of the colleges with whom we have got MOUs signed. And very soon the detailed college level leaderboard will be out there. Well, so that's it. AI Leela is trying to solve a definitive fragmentation issue. So you can think of it as the App Store, Coursera, and LinkedIn/Instagram for AI first world. And we are actually solving the fragmentation issue where through 30,000 tools it's difficult to keep track of tool and model and the good prompts. For the tool companies, it's difficult to find out to get early traction, early users. Students and people do not often get the structured learning path through all the chaos and noise on YouTube and tons of random courses. Um, the portfolio feature brings everything together and creates your own personal portfolio and showcase, which you can use for job or social purposes. And micro guides help you to do small things to learn on the fly. And the social fit connects everything together. It's the fabric which weaves everything together. And through passive scrolling, you learn something, what other people are using, which tools they are using, how they are using, without even having to do it by yourself. So instead of spending tons of time on mindless scrolling on Instagram or LinkedIn, spending time on AI Leela is actually productive because it makes you AI first individual. And that's why we call ourselves as generative learning network, generative learning network for AI first world. As AI learns, humans are also learning through the site. And as the outcome of everything else, what we end up doing is we bring sanity of mind to the users, because no more they will have FOMO, fear of missing out, if they are not up to date. Even if you take a 1 month break, you come back, you know that okay, I have to, just to catch up, all I have to do is spend few minutes on Yarila, get all the latest news, get all the latest tools and models that people have come up, see what people have built on the different tools, and get myself on edge in no time. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.